Hey there, adventure seekers. If you're craving a peaceful escape, I've got just the place for you. Nestled in the heart of Northumberland, the Bothy Riding Hills near Corbridge, Northumberland, is your ticket to tranquility. Picture this: rolling hills, breathtaking landscapes, and a charming cottage that's just waiting to welcome you. As you approach the Bothy at Riding Hills, the first thing you'll notice is its idyllic setting. It's tucked away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, offering a serene retreat like no other. Now let's talk about the cottage itself. It's got a well-equipped kitchen, perfect for whipping up meals with locally sourced ingredients. Whether you're dining indoors or al fresco on the patio, the views of the countryside will take your breath away. And the dining area, spacious and inviting, making it perfect for meals with family and friends. The accommodation here is all about comfort. Think cozy bedroom with king-size bed and an ensuite with walk-in shower base and heated towel rail and WC. It's thoughtfully furnished to ensure you get a restful night's sleep, but that's not all. The Bothy at Riding Hills isn't just about relaxing indoors. Its location is perfect for exploring the natural beauty of Northumberland. From outdoor activities to historic sites, there's so much to see and do. Imagine starting your day with a hike through the rolling hills, followed by a visit to a nearby historic site. Then, as the sun sets, you return to your cozy cottage, maybe cook up a delicious dinner and unwind with a good book or a glass of wine on the patio. Sounds perfect, right? So, if you're looking to escape the chaos and find some peace, the Bothy at Riding Hills is the place to be. Trust me, a stay here will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Thanks for watching and happy travels.